Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by locking camera settings so switching is seamless. Set all cameras to the same resolution, frame rate, and color profile. Once done, plug each camera into a dedicated capture device or into your hardware switcher. Make sure cables are tidy to avoid accidental disconnects. You should also power cameras from mains or long-running batteries. While you do this, open your streaming software and add inputs for each capture device so the sources appear and can be routed. Now configure your software or hardware for live switching. Name each camera input and arrange scenes for full frame, close-up, and PIP. You need to decide which audio will be live. An external mixer often gives best control. Then align audio with video by adding delay if lip sync drifts. Once set, program transitions and hotkeys, or map a control surface so you can cut, fade, or layer instantly. Test each scene change and audio switch to confirm smooth timing and consistent exposure. When you go live, begin with a short private test or the first minute as a warm-up to verify sync, bitrate, and visuals. While streaming, watch your encoder stats, network usage, and audio meters. Make adjustments on the fly, swap camera angles, reduce bitrate if frames drop, or mute noisy channels. If something breaks, revert to a single stable camera or switch to your hardware encoder immediately. That simple fallback restores the feed while you diagnose the root cause after the event.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.